Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Generators should never be connected to a home electrical outlet and should not be directly connected to the circuit breaker panel. If you plug your generator directly into a wall outlet, then the wiring in your house is no longer protected by a circuit breaker or fuse in your power panel.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's not only less safe to run a generator without a transfer switch, but you'll limit the devices that your generator can power, says Dave Trezza, who oversees generator testing for Consumer Reports. 15 September 2019.
Take our lead.
Backfeeding is a dangerous and possibly illegal way to power your home by connecting your generator to an appliance outlet, like a dryer outlet, and allowing electrical power to flow in reverse. Power moves backward to your electrical panel and is redistributed throughout the house. 14 September 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Homeowners can often power most household appliances using between 3,000 and 6,500 watts. If your home has a smaller furnace and city water, you can generally expect that 3,000 to 5,000 watts will cover your needs. If you have a larger furnace and/or a well pump, you will likely need a 5,000 to 6,500 watt generator. 12 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.